Okay, so the parts washer is finally done. Time to start cleaning up, refurbishing some of these old grungy old parts. So the first step in preparing these parts is done, and that was simply to remove the dirt and grease from them in the parts washer. The next step will be to either refine them further to either putting them in the ultrasonic cleaner, or the vibratory tumbler, or the wire wheel. And that's just this little section here. This is just the tip of the iceberg. There's still a lot more parts left that need to be cleaned. There's a whole tote full, and there's still the forks and the both wheel hubs, and we'll have a look at those here in just a second. So here's the tote full of parts. Those radiators are not going to be used. You've got a subframe. There's a silencer in there. Of course, needs to be disassembled, cleaned, repacked, etc. Front and rear brake parts. There's calipers and master cylinders in there. There's the rear shock. Again, disassemble and clean. There's a carburetor in there, but I don't think that's going to get used. It's got a broken slide on it. So I guess that's a good excuse as any to upgrade to the Electron, I guess. And of course the air box is just disgusting. Yeah, there's a lot of grease on that, a lot of dirt. Other parts in there. There's yeah, all kinds of stuff hidden down there. And of course, like I said, there's the forks and both hubs. Oh, and there is a lower steering stem in that pile somewhere that I forgot to clean as well. Oh, and there's bearings on that I'll have to take off first. But anyways, yeah. So there's a lot more cleaning left to do. Cleaning and degreasing, and yeah. So some of these parts ideally will be going to get anodized, hopefully, and these the steel parts here, like these axles and swing arm bolts, etc. Anything that's steel ideally will be cleaned up, and it's open to electroplate it with nickel. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah, so still a lot of work left to do. So anyways, that's it for now.